Hey guys, welcome back. This is Alexis, Sophia Leather. In this video, I want to go over my last two rebinds that I've done and just go over a couple of features on this and what I'm shooting for. The first one is my fourth rebind. It's the outside cover is Carlo Baldassi waxy pull-up, which is really neat because you can get this nice pull-up feature here. It's lined with vachetta. This is their Lockness. And this rebind, I did a little different. I don't know if you could see the stitches. I didn't do a fold over. And that's kind of what I want to get away from. I don't want to do fold overs. So what I had to do with this one is put the liner, make it the exact dimensions as the outside cover. And I do like that finish myself. But as you can see, the yap here was not as close as the yap there. So I had to fiddle with my dimensions, and that's what I did on the fifth one. This one here, I used natural vegetan, a 4 to 5 ounce on the outside, which is kind of on the thick side, but really what I wanted to do was practice my dimension and my sizing, in which I kind of nailed this one. I did. This is like a full yap, semi-yap, just short of a full yap, but they're all equal on all sides. And I didn't pay attention to the edges or anything like that. But let me show you the spine. And I think the natural vegetan etches way nicer than any of the other exotic leathers like Baldassi, Carlo, their waxy pull-up. I mean, look at the difference on the etching. It's not the same. Although the vachetta, the pueblo, and the waxy from Carlo Badali, I have a hard time saying that, but they all etch and they give like a gold etch to it, which is pretty neat. I don't know the exact science behind that, but I still like the traditional burn look myself. So natural vegetan is going to do that. It did bulge up. It wasn't completely laying too flat in the laser. And this section was elevated, and that's why it burned a little bit through. So, like I said, the goal for this one was just to really hammer out the dimensions, in which I did pretty good at. However, this is what I need your assistance, and that is for all you rebinders out there. What I want to do is I am going to offer full rebind like this, lined outside, inside, nice and flexible as you see this. Although I'm going to do it my style, which is not turned, but completely met at the edge and stitched. I like that look. But I do want to offer a version like this that comes just raw on the outside, basically one thick piece of leather on the outside. The issue I'm having is actually putting the text block inside. Putting the text block, oh, by the way, look at the end sheet, custom end sheet. Isn't that cool? Anyway, putting the actual text block inside. There's different ways. There's the paste down method, which seemed kind of complicated. And essentially that's what I did here. I lined it with, this is Texcraft. It's like a craft text. It's like a leather material chipboard. It's like 0.5 millimeter thick. It's really good. And it's basically a really small chipboard, but it's really stiff. I mean, look at this. It's really, really stiff. So I'm trying to get away from that. What I want to do is just have one thick piece of leather on the outside so it could still be flexible like this. You see that? I like that. But I'm having issue putting the text block in. How do I do it? And that's where I'm struggling with. What's the best way of attaching the actual text to the actual cover? As far as the cover itself, I think I've hammered down and I've ironed out the wrinkles as far as measuring. The issue is, how do I set the text block inside that cover? I understand you need a way to connect the text block to the cover using some kind of hinge, and that's what I did here. This cover comes out to about right here. And I put a crease in it, I put it on here first, I glued it here first, and then I kind of gently massage it in place that way. I don't know if there's an easier way. It came out pretty even. It did. But it almost took me longer to do this than it was to do a full-fledged lined piece of leather. You know, so I want to be able to offer something that's nice like this, that doesn't take too long to insert the text block in. So if you guys have any suggestions, let me know. For all you rebinders out there, I could greatly use your help on that. By the way, that is going to be my signature, I think. That is my legitimate signature in the bottom. I'm going to include that on every single rebind that I do. I already have some orders pending for some from brothers and sisters at church, and so I told them just wait because I have to figure this out. But yeah, anyway, let me know what you guys think. By the way, Theanustas, God breathed, inspired by God. 2 Timothy 3:16. Have a good day. Bye.